Home Show.
Michael from Lake Hamilton, Arkansas, has a question about attic cooling.
Yeah, Tom, he says he has what he describes as a basic gable roof with a single ridge running all the way the length of the house. All right? Michael writes, we replaced our roof and put in 3 turbines. My question is this: how dumb was it not to do a ridge vent? And what can I do now to cool my attic better? My thought is put in soffit vents and close up the gables. What say you?
You know, I didn't get past how dumb. How do you answer a question when somebody says, how dumb was that? I don't know.
Oh, pretty dumb. No.
Is there a dumbness scale? I don't know. But as far as
there's a dumbometer that we can put up there and kind of.
But it should have a ridge vent. And so what would you do? You would get rid of the turbines and put in a ridge vent. If you don't want to do that, then don't do anything. Don't try to do something else that would be dumber. I don't know. I hate to use the word dumb, but it was a mistake.
Wouldn't that be dumberer?
That may be. It was a mistake, and either do it right or don't do it at all.
Now he can just he can close off the turbines on the inside, right? And just leave them there.
Yeah, you don't really want to close them. You want to get rid of them.
Just get rid of them outright. Okay.
Things on your house. But yeah, it's pretty simple. You just take a sheet metal and put it down over the hole you cut. That's the big thing, is you cut a 12-inch round hole, or if it is round, and you cut through your roof deck. But with a piece of metal and weave some new shingles, if it's a new roof, you won't notice it once it's all done. You get a good roofer to come out and take care of it for you. But that would be the way to fix it.
All right. But do you think, so then going back to the soffit and ridge vent approach for his attic would be better? But he also says he wants to cool the attic, and that's not what the purpose of the ventilation is.
I wish it was. I wish you could just put a couple of holes in your attic and your whole house would be air conditioned, but it doesn't work that way. It's to get rid of water vapor. And so that's what the whole thing about attic ventilation is about. Water vapor in insulation destroys the R value. So if you have insulation, you need to ventilate. If you don't have any insulation at all, you probably wouldn't have to ventilate that much. But most people today do.
Right. So you want to get the moisture out, and that's the reason we have ventilation. Yes. And I think I've heard you say that the attic should be about the same ambient temperature as outside.
Yeah, and people think it's only for the South. It's for places that are hot, but it's incredibly important in places that's very, very cold. You have ridge vents on homes all over the Adirondacks, through Alaska, all over the northern part of the country, and there's a reason for that. It's to keep it from growing icicles and building up moisture in the attic.
All right. Well, you got a question? We can help you out just like that. Go visit homeshowradio.com. There's an Ask Tom form there. You click on it, fill it out, send it in, and we'll do a video just like this. We post them every day to our YouTube channel, on our website, and on our Facebook page, where you find lots of useful information.